Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature and how it can benefit our health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the world of medicinal plants and introducing you to the top 10 essentials you need to grow in your very own medicinal garden kit. Hey there, garden enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to share with you some incredible medicinal plants that can transform your garden into a natural pharmacy. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable gardening tips. First up on our list is the versatile and potent aloe vera. Not only is it fantastic for soothing sunburns, but it's also packed with antioxidants and can aid in digestion. Plus, it's super easy to grow, making it a must-have in any medicinal garden. Next, we have the aromatic lavender. Known for its calming properties, lavender is perfect for relieving stress and promoting relaxation. And who can resist its beautiful purple blooms? Moving along, we have echinacea, a powerful immune booster that can help ward off colds and flu. Its vibrant flowers add a pop of color to your garden while providing valuable medicinal benefits. Now, imagine having all these incredible plants conveniently packaged in one medicinal garden kit. Well, thanks to our affiliate partner, affiliate company name, you can. Their carefully curated kits include everything you need to start growing your own healing oasis at home. From chamomile for soothing tea to peppermint for digestive relief, these kits are designed to empower you to take control of your health naturally. So there you have it, folks, 10 essential medicinal plants to grow with your medicinal garden kit. Start your journey to wellness today by cultivating these powerful herbs right in your backyard. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab your own garden kit and start reaping the benefits of nature's medicine cabinet.